Hall County Solicitor General Stephanie Woodard, already under GBI investigation, now finds herself facing new allegations.
The latest involves a law requiring all elected officials to provide regular statements detailing their personal finances. Fox 5 I-Team reporter Randy Travis says the state accuses Woodard of ignoring that law for years. Randy?
That's right, Russ and Courtney. Whether or not they have opposition, elected officials must submit both campaign and personal financial disclosure statements on a regular basis. The state says Woodard failed to follow the law this year and every year since 2018.
Hall County is amazing.
In this series of videos posted on YouTube in the years after she first took office in 2008, it's clear Hall County Solicitor General Stephanie Woodard knows how to campaign.
Our community is only as strong as the weakest that we have.
But according to this complaint from the Georgia Government Transparency and Campaign Finance Commission, Woodard failed to follow campaign rules. She's accused of skipping reports of her personal finances. The complaint says Woodard, who's also an attorney, has not filed any of the mandatory reports for the last 5 years.
Most elected officials are pretty good about getting these filed correctly and timely. So it's sort of rare to see an office holder or somebody who's held office for many years screw up these filings.
Woodard faces thousands of dollars in fines she'd have to pay personally if the allegations prove true. Deputy General Counsel Joe Cusack says the annual filings are designed to protect all Georgians.
They can make sure that there's no public officers taking action that's going to basically benefit their pocketbook.
Combine this new problem with an older, far more serious one, a GBI investigation into how the longtime solicitor spent money that was originally set aside to help crime victims. The Attorney General's office ordered an investigation after our story looked at thousands of dollars spent on questionable purchases.
It's really pretty out here.
Yeah. Rick Farmer says the GBI has already taken his statement. Farmer owns a pet crematory in White County.
I keep records of everything. Every dog I have has an intake sheet on it.
Woodard submitted a $190 receipt for reimbursement from Farmer's company, Precious Memories, supposedly for a crime victim.
I don't have any victim that owes me any kind of money. So that charge would have to be for this. And it was paid to me for her dog.
In a statement to the Fox 5 I-Team, Woodard claimed the cremation receipt was submitted by mistake, but the reimbursement check she received from Hall County was clearly marked. Woodard has already paid back the county around $2,000 for questionable charges, including that $190 pet cremation. But we also found another $6,000 spent at area restaurants for Woodard and her staff in less than 2 years. Victim assistance money used for what she often listed as training. The GBI is also interested in Woodard's decision to file duplicate expense reports with Hall County and the Prosecuting Attorney's Council. In essence, getting reimbursed twice for the same expenses incurred during PAC's annual summer conference. Despite the criminal investigation, Woodard remains on the job. And in this month's general election, she collected more than 63,000 votes, unopposed for her 4th full term as Hall County Solicitor General.
Meanwhile, at least a half dozen GBI agents executed a search warrant Monday at Woodard's office, collecting records and other evidence for their criminal case. So you got the criminal case, and now you got the civil case involving her campaign finance disclosure statements that apparently have not been turned in for 5 years.
Boy, a lot going on. Has she had anything to say about all this?
She's not said anything to us about it, Russ. I've emailed her. I even went by her office without a camera, went inside to try to get a comment from her, and she refused to see me.
Well, it's not for lack of trying.
Right.
Sounds like. All right, Randy, thanks.
Okay.
Yeah, keep us posted.